Train, you're ready for dispatch. If you're ready to run, say choo-choo.
Choo-choo!
Choo-choo. Awesome. Enjoy your ride on the Carolina Goldrusher. Go ahead and take this time to prepare to place all your loose and valuable items in bin number 1 and bin number 1 only, as Carowinds will not be responsible if they become lost or damaged during the ride. Chicka, 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 chicka. Welcome back, Silver Train. How was that ride? Awesome. Please remain seated until the train has come to a complete stop. But go ahead and unbuckle your seatbelts. Go ahead and unbuckle your seatbelts, but remain seated until my ride attendant has come by to unlock your lap bar.